What do bird dogs do? Here we go. Like this one's mega important to me. What do bird dogs do? They build your top 2 to 3 lead source of all time. They build your list of the top 2 or 3 lead source of all time, the most valuable list you'll ever have. Maybe besides delinquent property tax, as you'll see, but they're fighting 1 and 2 neck and neck coming around the final turn. They build the best off-market list. Everything on that list needs work. That's a freaking home run. It's a home run. So who could be your bird dog? Mail carriers, newbie investors, delivery drivers, police officers, friend, coworker. The truth is, I just put those in there for fun. Anybody can be your bird dog. I try to convert every Uber and Lyft driver. Oh, how's your day going? Oh, pretty good. Yeah, I'm just looking for real estate. You drive around a lot? Yeah. I would love to pay you $1,000. What? Yeah, if you send me houses that need work, I'd love to pay you $1,000. I convert everybody that I can. Bird dogs build the best list that no one else has on planet Earth. Home run, okay? But now let's talk in terms of, let's take it to a deeper level and educate you on a few things that I want you to understand. Bird dogs come and go. They send you 20, 30 houses, which is good. You're gonna work those. You can close at least one of those easy, okay? So if they send you that many, you're gonna close one of those, and you'll eventually pay them. But the problem is, if you don't close on a house fast enough, they might stop sending you houses. It's human nature, it's natural, that's going to happen. Remember what I said, as a blueprint assassin, we control what we can control. We can't control that. What you can control is posting once a week or twice a month in your local real estate Facebook groups to see if you can find some bird dogs, people getting started who want to learn underneath you. The buy, sell, trade groups you can post on Craigslist and continually get more people coming into the fold. Everybody cool with that so far? Here's one extra thing that I know no one teaches. Here's one extra way to get them sending you even more. And if Jess was here right now, she'd tell you, because she ran this for us and then created the software that manages it that we'll talk about in a few minutes. If you motivate them on top of just saying, hey, I'll pay you $1,000 when I buy a house, incentivize them. Meaning this, offer to pay them 25 cents a house or 50 cents a house because it's the most valuable list you'll ever cultivate. And we've paid more than that, but 25 to 50 cents a house on top of $1,000 every time you close. Then they're gonna send you more houses.